Hello everybody, we're Tim and Debra Galli with First American Title.
Hey Tim, Deb. Okay, so let's start with this. How long have you been in the industry?
Oh my goodness, it feels like forever. I guess about 32 years total.
Nice, nice. And how much of that time has been spent as a title insurance provider slash closing specialist?
I'm going to guess, it's 25 years as a team together closing deals.
Yeah.
It's gone fast.
Wow, long time. That's awesome. And what's important? Tell the buyers and sellers out there what's so important about title insurance.
Well, think about this, guys. Title insurance is an insurance against the past, whereas normally when you get health insurance, auto insurance, that's an insurance against the future. An accident, you're getting sick. But title insurance, we're insuring the property that you're buying or you're selling from the past. From the moment we record the deal, that's when we're insuring from that moment back. So think about it that way.
Wow, that's a great answer. Thank you, Tim, Deb. Consumers, the home buyers, home sellers out there in the marketplace, see real estate agents, hundreds, thousands of them all the time, right? They know they're out there. We see, and maybe not to that magnitude as real estate agents, but in the tens or hundreds of title representatives like yourselves. Tell me from the consumer standpoint, what separates you from the rest of the pack?
Well, from a consumer standpoint, you want to work with a title insurance company. There's only like 3 of them in the industry that are actual insurers. The others are underwritten. And the fact that First American wrote the Eagle policy, which became industry standard, as a matter of fact, it's in all the contracts, they have to offer the Eagle policy, is a big feather in our cap, and we're proud to work for First American. And that's the difference right there in title companies. You want the person who is the industry leader.
And with the Eagle policy, there are 26 additional coverages. I feel like First American has always taken a step out there to protect the consumer to another level.
Yeah.
Thank you. That was a great answer. Now on to the next question. What's the best thing a seller can do to avoid title pitfalls?
Oh, we want to make sure the seller gets their statement of information in immediately. That's generally a form that they receive with their escrow documentation, with their escrow instructions, but sellers don't always get that document in. It's a little bit cumbersome to fill out, but it's very, very important to us to receive that at the very beginning of the transaction. We know if there are any liens on the property, but sometimes we may find hundreds or even thousands on a very common name. And with the statement of information, it allows us to go through that preliminary title report and eliminate any liens that don't belong to your client.
Yeah, and remember this, we're not running your credit. We're simply running your name so we know that that's not you, that lien is on that property. So we can eliminate that and close the deal faster.
Awesome. And then what should buyers do to to inspect title to make sure that their escrow closes on time or they don't get jammed up with their mortgage lender?
Yeah. A buyer, you definitely want to read the preliminary title report. A report goes to both agents and the escrow, so make sure you get a chance to look at that. There may be CC&Rs in there that you weren't aware of, and you want to get a copy of those CC&Rs, and the Hanover Group will be glad to get those for you.
And last question. What can you say about your experience working with the real estate team, the Hanover Group at Keller Williams Realty?
I've always loved working with your team because everybody takes it to a different level. The entire team works together to take care of the client. I feel like in our industry we have a lot of agents who maybe don't always have the client's best interest at heart, and I feel like the Hanover Group really does. I've enjoyed working with your team very, very much.
Very professional.
Awesome. Thank you guys. Really appreciate it.